For our second recipe, here at Chef Shaul's world-famous Kimar restaurant, he prepares a beet salad that tantalizes the senses. To begin, the beets are skinned and cut into cubes. Then add dried prunes, pistachio nuts, onions, fresh mint and coriander, or cilantro as we say. Add an amazing dressing of olive oil, fig honey, balsamic vinegar, and pomegranate concentrate. Mix them together and top it off with bruleed Saint-Maur goat's cheese. Oh, and by the way, there's one thing I forgot to mention about the beets.
You don't need to cook it.
Right.
Usually people eat this cook, you know, in the oven.
That's right.
Boil it.
Boil it, steam oven.
Fresh.
Fresh.
And you need to taste it, Like this, natural, it's like candies.
Yeah. These beets are exceptional.
Yeah.
I must say they're very, very sweet.
Yeah.
They're excellent.
And I cut it in this way because I want it to be crispy when you eat it.
Very good. So what else do we need?
Prunes.
Prunes.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is dry.
Dried prunes, yeah. So beets, prunes, pine nuts, piñones.
Yeah, wonderful.
They're good, really good. All right.
Yes.
That looks good already. Some red onion.
A little bit.
Okay.
Mint.
Some mint.
Yeah. So we have mint and we have coriander.
So beets, prunes, pine nuts, red onion, mint, coriander. So good. So what else?
Now let's start to make the sauce.
Okay, so the vinaigrette?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we need for the vinaigrette?
We start with olive oil.
Right. Is this olive oil local?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what else do we need?
Pig's honey, very beautiful.
Oh, I need to try that too.
Yeah,
You know me,
yeah.
I always
This is for you. This is for you.
I always want to try the components.
This is for you. But no, with your hand. Like
Okay.
this.
Very good.
Not so sweet.
No.
Very deep taste.
And it has like a after vanilla taste too.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
I cook with this a lot.
That's great. I'm just going to go and wash my hands quickly.
Okay.
So obviously the fig trees are next to the beehives, so it gives it that good flavor.
Yeah.
Delicious. And is this
Balsamic.
regular balsamic vinegar?
Yeah. This is not from Israel.
From Italy.
But you use, even regular vinegar.
Yeah, for
it's
sure.
also nice.
Yeah.
And the last one, pomegranate.
Pomegranate concentrate.
Yeah.
And you know, very popular in this part of the world, pomegranate.
Yeah,
no?
in Israel, yeah.
Shaul, I just love those ingredients. I mean, pomegranate, balsamic, great olive oil, and the fig honey.
You know, I need only pepper and salt.
Pepper and salt. Salt and pepper. Shall I go with that?
Yeah.
Salt. What do you reckon? That's good, chef?
Enough, thank
Enough?
you.
Some pepper.
Pepper.
I think
With
that's
this
probably
sauce
good.
you can use, you know, with lettuce salad or everything. It's nice.
It's great.
Yeah. This is the sauce. You like it?
Nice sweetness, nice acidity.
Okay.
Very, very good.
So,
So I'm going to grab a spoon and I'm going to help you mix that up.
yeah.
That looks so good. So yummy, huh?
Yeah.
Some of my favorite ingredients.
And the last one, we take beautiful Saint-Maur cheese.
Saint-Maur goat cheese.
Yeah.
So
This is French cheese, yeah, but
Right.
we make it here. We make it here in the Gilboa, yeah.
so very local again.
Yeah.
And those cheeses you let me try this morning at breakfast,
Wonderful,
they were
huh?
amazing. Amazing.
You know, before something around 15 years or 20 years, people go out to Italy, to France, or like this. They bring the suitcase cheese and like that.
Not anymore, huh?
Not anymore, we don't
Why?
need it.
Oh,
We have
sure.
very nice things here, you know.
I mean, just look at that.
We take brown sugar.
Okay, to make brulee.
Yeah.
Like a crème brulee.
Yeah.
Wow, there we go.
Enough.
And nice, there we go. It's going to take the chill off the cheese.
Yeah.
Sweetness with goat cheese is so good.
And this cheese is strong.
It's very good.
Yeah. Now it's garnish time.
Oh,
Look at the color.
it's delicious. I'm sure it's going to work beautifully with the goat
Yeah.
cheese. So 4 pieces of cheese. That is amazing. Really great.
Wait a second. You know these Migo lips?
Micro herbs,
Michael, yeah. Basil, coriander,
Basil, coriander,
bok choy.
bok choy. Well, I've never seen that before in micro.
Yeah.
And this is beet tops,
Yeah,
micro
yeah.
beet.
You choose.
And I think, I
Beautiful.
just love cilantro.
Oh, okay.
Or coriander, as you say here in Israel.
Okay.
How's that, chef? Is that good?
Nice, very nice. Yeah.
Amazing. Coriander, the beets, delicious. Can I try it?
It's your salad.
That looks really good. So good. Delicious.